Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Brisbane. Currently here testing the new GoPro Hero 7, and I've just noticed after filming for a little bit here that the lens fogs up at 4K 60 frames a second. Don't know why, only just got it yesterday. Oh well, interesting. Let's see if it does that for us today. The plan today is to basically just film some of that time warp feature around Brisbane City and see how amazing this camera is going to be for our trip to Japan, Thailand and Hong Kong. Of course, testing the gimbal-like stabilisation inside of it. Also, heads up, I'm using the internal microphone today, and I'll do a little bit with the other microphone just so you can see the difference. So I'm going to show you when I switch to the external mic and when I'm just using the internal mic. Right now is the internal mic, so let's see what it's like the external mic. Ready? And this is now the external microphone. I'm already in love with the video of this. We check out this hyperlapse, or what they're calling, what are they calling it? Time warp of the Brisbane Eye. I mean, that is amazing. I've already checked it out on my camera and it looks awesome. Yeah, well, let's go test around the city. Gonna go for a walk all around, check out some old buildings. There's a city hall I want to go up to the top of. There's an old elevator. Take a ferry around the river. Just a day out in my own hometown. So let's go do it. Let's test out this GoPro, and I'm super keen. All this time coming to South Bank, I never knew there was a Nepalese pagoda. Anyway, all part of the 88 Expo.
World Expo 88 in Brisbane. Together we'll shout the world. Book now for this once-in-a-lifetime experience.
I've been in Nepal. I love Nepal. It does look like Nepalese architecture. Let's time warp it. Guys, let's test while walking down this strip here the Hypersmooth and then the nose stabilisation, so you see the massive difference it makes just while walking handheld. I'm now literally hand holding the GoPro. Got the little mount here. So a great way to see how stable this footage is going to be. I'm going to go walk across the bridge, just hand holding the GoPro. Let's do it.
Many organs, a lot of them we still find, say, in churches and other important buildings in Australia.
So there's another building I want to hypersmooth. No, hold on. I'm hypersmoothing now. That I want to time warp. And it's the Albert Street Church. Let's time warp it. that's what it looks like for a traditional time-lapse video versus the time warp that GoPro has on this new camera. But let's combine time warp, so the Hypersmooth on the GoPro, with the gimbal. Let's see the result now. Alright, so now it's in the gimbal. See how the audio is in the gimbal. Probably pretty crap. Okay, microphone's in. Let's see how much better this is to vlog with. Let's head back down to the ferry and try and get on the ferry. It is going to be interesting to see how the audio is compared to just by itself, and the smoothness and all that. Now let's go test the wind noise on this on a ferry right after I get a drink. Alright guys, yet again another audio test here, just walking along a very noisy highway here to my right, your left, and let's see how well you can hear me with just the onboard audio. I can't stand the audio anymore without using an external microphone. This is no good. Okay, GoPro, your audio is not any better to what it was. However, your saving grace is your stabilisation, your Hypersmooth, and your time warp. That is awesome, and I love those features. It actually may even make me go back to my original setup from 2 years ago, using one of these. I'm going to put the GoPro in here. I can attach the microphone on top, and handheld. No need for a gimbal. Interesting. Interesting. So I'm going to do some tests with this one in Bali in the coming weeks. Anyway, back to the vlog, and I'm just going to go and mute the footage that has no microphone attached. Alright, let's do it. Zero dot hairs.
Dog hairs? Can I write that down?
You guys, it's been amazing. Let's finish off today with a hyperlapse again of the Ferris wheel. I love that Ferris wheel. Anyway, you know the usuals. Once again, thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.